If you are new to the channel, then you should know that I have reviewed a few of llano products. As far as llano goes, I use their battery chargers. I've reviewed a few of those on the channel. All right, and now right here we have a camera cleaning kit. So I will be able to clean my DSLR, and I can clean my action camera because y'all know I do outdoor content and my cameras may get a little dirty. So we have a kit right here that you can use to clean your cameras, action cameras or your DSLR, even your lens for your phone. You'll be able to clean that too because they leave you here with wipes, microfiber cleaning cloths right here, cleaning cloth. You get cleaning wipes. You don't use this like you're going crazy, you guys. You use it when it's necessary. Cotton swabs, boom. And right here, take that out and you have a little brushing pad right there. On this side, you have a cap. Take this cap off, push down on this button, and then you have a brush. You can brush off your camera if it gets dirty. This will get all of those crevices, you guys, all those places where it's hard to reach. Lower right here, and you go do nice quick blows. Clean out your SD port, clean out your battery port, and then you have all of your other stuff, cotton swabs and all of that good stuff. And they leave you with a carrying pouch. llano always hooking you up. So you can put everything in your pouch and then put it in your camera book bag. That way you'll always have it with you. Fold it up nice and neat. Everything fits in. You got spray right here. This is for your lens. Take that off and here you go. You spray it. This is alcohol free, all right? 100% safe, alcohol free when you need to clean your lens. And again, remember they left you with cloths, wipes, and then you put everything inside. You guys, it fits nice and neat, including the blower. It's going in. Squeeze it and pull. Pull, and that's it, ladies and gentlemen. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section, and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next product review.